Hello everyone and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the battery of your Mercedes-Benz key fobs. Now this is the little older one that comes from the cars of 1999 to about 2006. This key fob with the little chrome comes for the cars from 2011 to 2015, and in between is a key that looks exactly like this, but the buttons are bigger. They're not cut out like little squares, they're part of the key. So that one I believe is between 2006 and 2010. Now we're going to start with the older key. Okay, if you have a key like this, you will have to take the hard key out by sliding this little slider. This is the hard key, the one that opens your door. We're going to put it right here. I don't know if this can focus and you can see, but there is a gray part right in there, which we're going to push with the key inwards. When you do that, you can pry the little battery compartment with absolutely no problem. And if your key is a bit older and it has gunk, it's going to take a little effort to take it out. But to replace the battery, you just have to put your finger on this little tab right here and gently slide the metal part out. Now make sure not to bend it or break it, because that will be a bad day. Now this older key comes with two batteries. Both of them are CR2025 3-volt batteries. If this thing could focus, I can actually show them to you. Okay. So these are the two batteries. I'm gonna have a link for the replacement batteries down in the description if you guys wanna go ahead and order from that. It helps the channel a little bit. Now we're gonna put the two batteries, stack them up. To replace the metal thing, the metal pin, if this could only focus, to replace the pin you have to gently press on this little tab right here, the one that you press to take it out. Here we go. Now and then just press the metal part inward. Here we go, and it should snap into place. There we go. We gotta first put it in the little hole, and there it is. It snapped into place. Now this thing can't focus, but we're gonna try it one more time. There it is. It is in place, and now the only thing we have to do is replace the battery compartment inside your Mercedes-Benz key, and it should snap right into place. And what's left is to put this key back in. Again, we're gonna set this old key aside. We're gonna bring the newer key fob. Newer key fob works about the same way, kind of similar. There we go, it focused. Now you gotta, to take the hard key out, you gotta push on this slider tab to the side, take the hard key out. We're gonna use again the hard key, and no other tools are necessary to replace the battery. We're going to put the hard key into this little slot in there and press. That is going to release the battery cover that only has a clip on one side that was pressed by the hard key. Now, all we need to do with this battery to take it out is gently tap it in the back of your hand. It is the same battery. This one is Energizer. It's a CR2025 3-volt battery. Again, I'm going to have the replacement batteries linked down below in the description. But to replace it, you just put it in. Don't even need to press, because the back cover of the key has a little piece that pushes the battery in. To replace the battery cover, you just slide the two little pins in and then gently press on the top, and it should snap into place. The only thing left to do is replace the hard key, which goes right back in. And just like that, you replace your batteries on your Mercedes key fobs, old and new. If you did like today's video, please hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button, also the notification bell. You know, that's the right thing to do. Thank you very much for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye.